never see you when you tryna be alive. Tell me, if the light's alright for you to reach it, then you should stop. Tell me, if you're scared of the dark, little boy, you better call your mom. Tell me, if you want another seat or not. Whoa, tell me, if she ever love you back. Empty promises, they fucking drive you mad. Never believe what she's saying. She don't have a real heart. If you were so powerful, how did they stab you in the back? Whoa, listen to me. This is sour with no empathy. Now I see it with clarity. Nobody here work for charity. What you say? Little boy, you think that I'm playing? Fuck you. You think that I'm playing? No, nigga, here I'm staying. Whoa.
It's already gone, don't live in the past. Had to let it go or let you grow up. I don't feel alright, I feel like I'm stuck. I don't give advice, I don't take advice. Have to try it up, gotta roll the dice. It's an evil world full of fucking lies. Gotta make it through, at least I gotta try. Gotta make it through, at least I gotta try.